fourth nature spot. We're currently on top of an abandoned building. So this is pretty freaking dope, to be honest. Cause so we're on. So let's kind of go through what we've been on so far. So we've been on the. We've been on that first. We've been on that first spot. That's overpass, and then we've been on the and then we've been on the, what's that called, we've been on the then we've been on the what's it called, then we've been on the canal bed, then the vineyard, now on top of the building. So all pretty dope stuff, I have to say. I'm just kind of keep a little profile because there's a lot of houses around here. So I'm not trying to get caught right now. So yeah. So just kind of stay low right now. It's like the office. Most buildings where we're at right now are kind of abandoned, so we can have an easier time over here than pretty much any spot so far. So we're just kind of trying to keep a low profile. So my cousin took his hat off just in case stuff happens. Hey, so there's a house over here. I don't know if there's cars inside or anything, but there's a house right over here. Like, kind of like the front windows are kind of like closed off, and on the side here though, like that glass is fully open.
Yeah, I see it.
On that side of the house. Yeah, so zappy zappy.
Don't need zapping.
Zappings. Yeah, so oh shit, that's
Yeah, there's something flat through.
yeah, I almost fell through. It's kind of cool though. Like, we've been exploring a lot so far, and it's not even the end of the day yet. We still got. Wait, what if I throw this? Throw a stick?
Is that metal?
Nope, that's not a stick. So yeah, we're
241.
yeah. So he's an amazing photographer. I'll shout him up.
Wait, are you a kid-friendly channel?
Yes.
Okay, well, oops, I've cussed a lot.
It's whatever. My girlfriend's texting me right now. Oh shit. Alright. That's the end right now. But I'll keep updating you guys if there's any more nature spots.
Alright, hit up my Instagram, mason.took.it. Yeah.
There you go. Alright. There's a little plug for you. So keep watching these vlogs. These vlogs will get more and more interesting. Yeah, so ciao for now.